How to fix camera distortion in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on camera. Now scroll down and click on storage, and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and press and hold on power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.